Good morning, Facebook, YouTube, Internet World. Courtney Truman Steamer, September the 6th. We're on our first of 3 jobs today. We had 4. Kevin has 1, but me and DeAndre has 3 today. So this is our first of 3 jobs. We're doing the 2-room, 1 hallway minimum of $125. We do have a $125 minimum for any services, but with that $125, you can get up to 2 rooms and a 1 hallway clean. We're going to be cleaning some Berber olefin carpet today. The customer has a few minor stains, not nothing too serious or too bad. So we already got our certain pre-spray we're going to be using for these carpets. We're going to leave these carpets nice and bright, and also tackle those organic stains. So there's the hallway. No matter what size of the job, every customer gets the same treatment. So we put up our corner guards, our floor mat, and our sealer door. And also this room right here. So we have some Coca-Cola spill, and also a real kind of dingy high traffic area right here, and also a spill right here. But other than that, the carpets are in great condition. And again, Miss Cindy, how did you hear about me again?
Through my daughter.
Oh, your daughter, referral. Awesome. Okay, we love getting referrals. What's your daughter's name?
Carla Hawk.
Miss Hawk.
UK.
All right, Miss Hawk, thank you again for the referral. Oh yeah, I remember you said you went and looked at her carpets.
Yeah, she's got a dog and a cat. The dog is not trained at all. And their carpet was, and Mike said to me, my son-in-law said, I couldn't believe what that carpet looked like when they were done, because they said, oh, we can get this clean. And he said, it looks like brand new. And I said, well, okay.
There you go. Awesome. That's what I'm talking about, guys. So that's why we get a lot of referrals, because of the results that we give each and every one of our customers. And Miss Carla said she did have one of the national brand companies here last year, and she wasn't happy. So hopefully we can change that for her today. All right, guys. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Again, we're just setting up on this job. Go ahead and get the machine going. Also, too, we have another customer that we did. She was also a referral. We did her last week. She also has Berber carpet. I did tell her Berber carpet has a tendency of wicking, basically, which means stains coming back. So she did call us and told us that it was one stain that came back. So we're going to go by there today and treat that stain for her. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Get the heat going. Get the machine going. Got the van nice and organized. I need to go get my van washed. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, I'll show you how these carpets are coming out. Look at that, look at that. Looking good, ain't it, Mr. Carl? A lot better than the last company. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we want to hear. You guys hear that for yourself? Customers sitting here watching us. But now you know, sometimes, the thing about it is, with those national brand companies, because what it is, I've been in this industry for 19 years. Those are really marketing companies. They just have a lot of, they spend millions of dollars on marketing. So of course, most people want to see them before they see us. So when you think about getting your carpets cleaned, that's who you're going to think about. But sometimes, most people have to use those companies to realize it's not what the small guys like us can do. Because our goal is to keep your business. Like your daughter refer us to you or you to us. That's how we grow our business. Well, thank you. I greatly appreciate that. See that, guys? Now, one thing about Berber carpet, guys, I was telling DeAndre, Berber carpet is a loop carpet. So one thing about Berber carpet, we want to get this carpet to dry as fast as possible. And the way we're going to do that, we're going to double up our dry strokes. And I'm gonna let DeAndre demonstrate that right quick to show you guys what we're talking, what we mean by double dry strokes. Now watch this, what he's gonna do. Now see that, guys? What he's doing is the dry strokes. You can see all that moisture coming out of the carpets. See that? Now, once he does this, then he's going to go back and do it again. You can see he's not pulling the trigger. He's only removing excess moisture from the fibers. It's going to get these carpets to dry fast. And on Berber carpets, again, Berber carpet is, it has a tendency of wicking really bad, especially with stains. And the best way to eliminate that is double dry strokes. Now watch this, what he's gonna do. See how he came back again? It's a double dry stroke. You wanna get as much moisture out of the carpets as possible. And one thing about our cleaning tool, it has that window on it. So we can keep going as much as we want to see, again, how much moisture we are getting out of the fibers. The more moisture that we get out of the carpets, the faster the carpets are gonna dry. The very, very crucial technique cleaning carpet. Yeah. What do you think? Thank you.
Yeah, I know now it's been a year since we had to clean because when we found out he had cancer, we decided we needed to get the carpet cleaned.
Oh, wow.
And all that, and we did the bedroom, we tore that bedroom.
Oh, wow.
So
So it's been a year. Okay. Now the reason why DeAndre just turned around, guys, always know your surroundings. If he would have backed into that TV, there would have been a probably damaged it and would have been replacing the TV. So when you're cleaning, always watch your surroundings. Yep.
What are you doing, printing?
Yeah, yeah. Some people look at it as training, but what we do, we showcase it on YouTube and Facebook so people can see the results.
Yes, that's the first place I saw you on Facebook.
Oh, you did see us on Facebook. Okay, great.
And then Carla had said to me, she said, we got the carpet cleaned on and they look really great. And I said, well, who did it? And she said, Truman Steamers. I said, the one I see on Facebook. And she said, yes.
Yeah.
I said, well, I said, that's
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you.
well, they're always advertising Zero Ed. And someone said to me, I am happy with them.
Oh, wow.
And I'm like, really? They're always advertising that on the Christian page.
Well, again, I'll tell you, your husband, most of those companies, they have millions of dollars to market. And I hate to say it, but a lot of times, put it like this. If I give you $50,000 and say I did a good job, most people are going to do it. So a lot of times they pay those companies, those are scripted lines. And they say, oh, this company did a good job for us and we couldn't believe, how well they did, and that's why we record what we do so people can actually see it. So they actually pay those radio stations to say that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys, we just finished our first one. Beautiful day today out here in Georgia. Show you guys the carpets. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, beautiful. Outstanding job, guys. All right, we also did the hallway and also this bedroom. All right, guys, that's what it's about. Making sure the customers are satisfied, making sure you do your best, knowing what to do, what products to use, what techniques to perform to get the best results. And just by the look at my customers' expression, I think they're happy too.
Yeah, very happy.
Yep.
Well, thank you guys so much for the opportunity. We greatly appreciate it. And tell your daughter again, thank you for the referral.
I will.
Thank you. All right, guys, that's going to do it. We're going to go ahead and wrap it up. Get ready to head to our second one.
125 is what I don't.
Yes, ma'am, 125. And let me get you guys some more brochures, too, so you can pass them out at church.
Okay.
Perfect. All right, guys, grab some brochures. I don't carry business cards anymore. I do brochures now, so I love my brochures. Also, my folders for commercial jobs. So, actually, I might need to order some more. So this is my marketing material. Of course, I got brochures. Customers love, and you guys would be surprised how many services customers will ask. Well, what other services that I offer in my brochure that customers will ask me about. Say, oh, I didn't know you did that. Oh, I didn't know you did tile and grout upholstery. So that's why I like these brochures. They speak. They speak more of a story about your company than just a typical business card. And of course, I always give customers price sheets, so there's no hidden charges, so they know exactly what they're paying for. And when I do commercial estimates or commercial jobs, I like to do my folders. So these are my folders for commercial jobs. Yep, and it has a whole bunch of inserts of all the services that we do. So, all right, guys, go ahead and give the customer some of these brochures. Thanks again for watching. Courtney, Truman Steamers, DeAndre. We're having fun as always, making our clients and customers happy, one at a time. See you in the next one.